Hey nail bestie, I'm setting up my station and getting everything ready before I start the set, which is the frosted waffle quilt. You can see that I am setting up everything, including my magnifying glass, which is awesome. You can see better. I'm going in with this baby yellow polish. I keep it simple, just laying down the first smooth layer, and then I switch to the baby pink. And I add 2 layers because 1 layer is not enough. I'm adding my matte top coat. After it cures, I show the finish so you can see how soft the matte looks. Then I grab my Young Nails 180 file. I'm using the softer side and lightly buffing the surface. This keeps the design from sliding around when I start painting my lines. I start adding the yellow line across the yellow nail, like you see on a wrapped gift ribbon. And then I add my pink lines. I'm drawing the lines that give the waffle quilt look. It's giving me waffle cone, and then it's giving me a knitted quilt. So why not waffle quilt? I'm using the thick sticky gel to start forming the bow. I ball it up and then I flatten it out. Bring the 2 ends together. Press it down so you can see how I build the shape. I'm making the second flat side of the bow. I flatten the 𝓗𝓏 again and put the two ends together and shape it so it matches the first side. And it just takes practice. Then I take another piece of the sticky gel to make the longer ribbon piece, the ones that hangs down, and make two of those, one for each side. I start adding color to the bow. I'm painting with the pink gel polish and then using a small detailing brush to fill everything in cleanly. I add a second thin layer so it looks smooth and even. I move to the yellow nail and draw a pink and yellow ornament. I draw a little top piece that hooks onto the tree. Look how cute. And then I do another bow on the pinky nail. Same method, one piece connects to the end, shape it, carrot. Here's the finished set, and this is the frosted waffle quilt. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now, bestie. Bye!